This one got smoked in the back. It gets a new rear body panel.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have a Chevy Trax here. This one got smoked in the back, and it's getting a bunch. It's getting a new lift gate, obviously. Then it gets a new rear body panel, which I have right here. A new taillight pocket, as well as this inside brace that goes inside of here. Then it has buckles in the quarter panels from everything going in. When all of this went in, it pulled all this in and down, and it caused buckles in the quarter panel. So I'm gonna put this one up in clamps on the frame machine, and then I will go ahead and make some pulls and pull all this damage out. And once I get it all pulled out, I will start cutting everything apart. Now they have measurements of where they want these clamps put, and they have you measure off the center of the rear wheel here. This one's 760 millimeters. Right about there. And then the front one is 1780 millimeters, which is going to be right about there. little more weld. So it turns out this piece, I had this piece new, but there's actually almost nothing wrong with it. It's barely wrinkled right here. I hammered and dollied it flat. So I'm gonna actually probably return this and leave this piece in there, make it a little easier. So I am fitting this lift gate on, getting ready to fit everything up. And this is a new lift gate from GM. And you can see right here, this corner, this thing was dropped in the box or something, probably during transport. And this corner's rolled. And that's the way some of these new parts show up sometimes. So then you have to either see if the supplier will pay us to fix this, or the third option is we fix it, eat the cost just to keep the job moving rather than put the job on hold over that. So